Joe Zarzaur here with Dr. Evan Malone for another segment of Zarzaur Law TV. In this particular episode, we're going to talk about what you're likely to get after a car wreck from the ER physician or the treating physician, the nurse practitioner or physician's assistant that sees you after a motor vehicle accident. And specifically, I'll just talk generally about what the medicines they get, and I'll let Dr. Malone talk about specifically what they do. But generally, you get anti-inflammatories, you get muscle relaxers, and sometimes, a little more stingy these days, rightfully so, you get some kind of pain medication. So, doctor, those are three general areas of medication that you get after a car wreck from the emergency room or from an urgent care center. Talk to us about what those are.
Okay, so first off, start at the bottom with the narcotics that you had mentioned. Another reason why those aren't used as much, besides everything you hear in the news about addiction and abuse.
These are opioid.
Yeah, opioids.
Things.
Yeah, it can mask symptoms of something that is truly going on that maybe you need to get worked up. So that's one other reason to not just say I just want to be numb. Okay. So anyhow, so the anti-inflammatories, the reason why you hurt, why you have a soft tissue injury, which is what they'll probably tell you at the ER, is because you've got acute inflammation. So you want to try and blunt that inflammation, which is what's making you uncomfortable. So the anti-inflammatories are great for that. That's what you think of Advil, Naproxen, Aleve. Tylenol is as well, though not as strong. So those are the medications that you'll be given a prescription for. Sometimes it's a stronger version of ibuprofen, so like an 800 milligram tablet. It's still ibuprofen. It's like taking 200 milligram tablets you buy at home or at the pharmacy for home. And so you'll get those medications along with possibly a muscle relaxant, which again, that helps to alleviate your symptoms, not get rid of an injury.
What are some common muscle relaxers?
Well, there's Robaxin is the one that you'll probably see the most frequently from the ER. There's also Flexeril. Those are probably the top 1 and 2 that you'll come out of the ER
And then what's
with.
the difference between a muscle relaxer and a anti-inflammatory?
Two different mechanisms how they work. Anti-inflammatory will work on basically all the tissues in your body, skin, ligaments, tendons, muscle, whereas a muscle relaxant is specific to the muscles, so that when you get into a spasm cycle, because there's part of your body is compensating for an injury or some sort of an insult, it'll help to alleviate that spasm.
And some people are involved in pretty serious accidents where they break a bone or they have a major laceration, and they do get pain medication.
Yeah, that's where you get the opioids.
What are the new regulations in regards to what the emergency room physician can give in regards to pain medication?
So it depends on the state. In the state of Florida, it's a 3-day supply, and it's for acute pain. And then after that, you need to follow up and see a provider before you get a refill of that medication to see if there's an indication to continue that.
And the 3 days is significant for what reason?
Because anything beyond that, studies have shown that the chance of becoming addicted or dependent upon the medication goes up exponentially.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's all important information. If you have questions about a car wreck injury, car wreck prescriptions prescriptions you have received as a result of a car wreck, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us the old-fashioned way at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.